Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowman. Today we're going to be looking at the ALEX topic, finding inputs and outputs of a two-step function that models a real-world situation, once again a two-variable equation. So here we have Christine, who is a software salesperson. Her base salary is $1,900 or $1,900, and she makes $70 more for every copy of Math is Fun she sells. Her total pay stands for P in our thing, which is going to be measured in dollars, after selling C copies is given by the following. P equals 1,900 plus 70 times C because it depends on how many copies she sells. Seems reasonable. Answer the following questions. What is Christine's total pay if she sells 24 copies? So C is the stand-in for copies in our equation, so I'm going to replace C with 24. So P equals 1,900 plus 70, and then instead of 70 times C, I'm going to be writing 70 times 24. Okay. After that, this is just a simple simplification. So 1,900, 70 times 24 ends up being 1,680. So add those together, and we end up with 3,580. Yeah, okay, double checking that in my head. So, and I want my total pay, Christine's total pay. So I want that back in dollars. So $3,580 if she sells 20 copies. Okay. And then down here for the second part, if Christine's total pay is $4,350, how many copies did she sell? So we're going to do this backwards. Maybe she lost some paperwork. Who knows? So this time, instead of plugging in for C, I'm looking at her total pay, which is P in our equation. So I'm going to go back to my equation, but I'm going to replace C or P instead of C. So 4,350 equals 1,900 plus 70, and I don't know C, so I'm going to put that back in. Okay. So now I'm just going to move stuff around until I get C by itself. So I'm going to subtract 1,900. Okay. 4,350 minus 1,900 leaves you with 2,450 equals 70C. We'll divide by 70, so that divides out to 1. Okay, move our camera down here just for a second. And we find out that C is equal to 35. Okay, 35, make sure we're getting a unit on here, so 35 copies.